Motion detected.
Hey, welcome back to part two of our Get Ready With Me Mondays EDC edition, Everyday Carry edition. Hey, DeAndre here, Fortitude. And it's Get Ready With Me Mondays EDC edition. And last video, we focused a lot on the outfit, everyday carry gear, and what I like to carry. Now this week, I'm going to switch gears a little bit, and I'm going to focus on another key aspect of getting ready when you're carrying. So, what I like to emphasize is practicing drawing from concealment. So, if time allows it, whenever you change outfits, you want to practice getting that firearm, get a good purchase on the grip, and getting it on target. However, time doesn't always allow us to do that every morning because things are static, things change. But one thing I like to emphasize is that when we at least change styles of clothing, that we prepare properly. So what do I mean by that? So as you see, my outfit is very similar to the last video, and that's for a reason. Because I'm familiar with drawing from the same position. So I'm familiar with where my shirt lands at, where my firearm is located, and I can get access to it very efficiently. But if I change styles of clothing, I want to prepare drawing consistently from that position. So say if I have athletic wear on and I'm going with some shorts and a compressed shirt, or I'm doing joggers and a tank top or t-shirt, whatever it may be, and the firearm is positioned differently, or it's positioned in a fanny pack or a crossbody bag, I want to practice drawing from concealment from that position as well. Or if I'm dressing more formal and I have on a button-up shirt and a jacket, I want to practice drawing from, or I want to be mindful of my firearm placement and drawing from concealment as well too. So some of the options I may do when dressing formal is, like, if I have a jacket on, I'm carrying it small in my back, or I can do a chest holster so where I can get access to the firearm. But even if I decide to go that route, I want to practice drawing from concealment and getting a good purchase on that gun, getting on target a efficient amount of time. And while, like I said, we always emphasize avoiding situations as much as possible. If the situation ever does need us, we want to be able to perform at a high level, because we cannot control everybody's actions, but we can control our responses. But, however, when we are met with high stress situations, which a life-threatening event is, a body acts a body and the brain go into a survival mode, and instinctually we focus on and we perform at things that are um, innate to us. So when we make this drawing and innate and instinctual, we can perform at a higher and better level, and that is the goal. We want to be able to meet those stressful situations just subconsciously. We can perform at our peak. I want you to practice drawing from concealment and getting it down pat. Now, if you do things a little differently, you can drop them in the comments. Let me know how you get ready in the morning. If you have a different position that might work better for you, you can drop them in the comments too. If you're new to carrying and you're new to firearms and you're not sure how or what to do, if you have a problem, drop them in the comments. We'll bring a solution to you, because I am a strong believer that while there are plenty of wrong ways to do something, the right way to do something are almost unlimited. So what I like to do is I like to get as many right solutions as I can, get them in a pot, and pull them out and fit what's tailored to me. And that's our goal for you, is to find what solutions are tailored to you and help you maximize your safety and your security, so that when you leave out that door in the day, you can make it back home safe and sound. So, like I said, thank you for joining us again here at Fortitude. Remember to stay safe, stay secure, stay fortified, and practice drawing from concealment consistently. And I'll see y'all next week.